Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have T-bone steak with loaded shrimp potatoes, or twice baked potatoes with shrimp in it. And then we have some asparagus.
And first lady said I could eat the skin. So you know I'm gonna eat the skin on this one.
I wash the skin.
I'm hungry today.
Whenever you make baked potato, wash the skin, because there's some greedy people who likes to eat the skin. Alright, so we're gonna dig in, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the steak. I just wanted to see, let you guys see what a beautiful piece of steak I made.
Look at that, family. Look at that. But that one look bigger than that one.
No. Alright guys, we'll be right back.
I know what time it is already.
Pull all of the head out.
No, I don't know mine.
Alright guys, so I'm back. I had to go get me a little knife. This is not a steak knife. I can't find a steak knife, and I gotta eat, right? So that's okay. Sometimes you gotta improvise.
Yes, and then family, before I start, I know y'all seen it and y'all say y'all want to try, so here. There goes y'all. Don't take it if y'all don't want it, okay? Alright, so
like I said, this is shrimp, twice baked potatoes. It has shrimp, cheese, sour cream, the whole shebang.
Boy, oh boy.
How much should I put?
No.
Oh, I think so far.
No, far mine, it's fine with me.
Food far mine. Can you see now? Oh, my glasses on. Like I said, this is not...
Yo, family. I didn't give you another steak, but take a piece of the steak right here. You know I put my barbecue sauce on it, so. Family. That grill is busting. I told you gonna get that grill.
But you finally got a grill. I'm drinking a ginger ale.
You gonna tell them, after you eat something, you gonna tell them about the project I'm gonna do this week?
It was rough.
This week was rough for me at first, lady family.
Came back from our trip and had to do some things, but it's fine. It's fixed now. Our washing machine was we have a front loader, so it was like banging, bang, bang, bang. I mean loud. When it was in the spin cycle, and then it started smelling like a burning smell. So I googled it, and they said it could be the bearing and the spindle or the spinner, something like that. And it was. So we ordered a part, and we basically took the washer down to the bare bones.
To the shell.
To the shell. Cleaned it.
This is delicious.
Thank you.
We'll work the weight.
Worked the weight. Cleaned it. Changed the parts. We started at 8, finished at about 4. We took lunch, of course.
We took a lunch. First lady went over at lunchtime.
Richard was like, alright, it's time for lunch.
Lunchtime, family. But
I was like, alright.
we did that. Excellent job. It's like brand new.
Brand new. If we hired somebody to come do that, first of all, what they would say to us is, it's cheaper to just get a new one.
I heard it say.
That's how much work it was, because you're taking, as I said, you're going to the, what do you call the tongue?
What?
The bone?
Yep, and you go to the brain of the machine.
all the way. So, and it was dirty. Like the inside of the washing machine, you can't see that part.
Yeah.
You know, it's not the outside. It's the inside after you've broken it apart that was dirty. We've had that washer and dryer for like 10 years, 11 years. So that's 11 years worth of stuff that's been built up. Plus, because the part was broken, it was interfering with how the clothes was being washed.
Yep.
But we fixed it.
We sure did.
And then Richie's grill came, so then we put that together.
Project.
And next week, I told Richie, I said to him, if the washing machine was in that kind of condition, our dryer is not broken, but I do notice that it's not drying as fast as it used to. So we're going to take it apart and we're going to give it a good old cleaning.
No, we're not certifying appliances. But we could do it. Yeah?
Why not?
We can do it, family. Once you get a good video, tell you step by step. One of the first thing, read the blueprint. Oh, we did excellent.
We did. It was good because I watched the video and told Richie what to do, and he did it. You know, so I had my role to play, and Richie had his role to play. It's not gonna work if everybody wants to play the same role. We're gonna end up arguing and whatever. But
I did all the breaking down.
All the breaking down.
First, you just read it to me.
Was the grill hard, you think?
Grills are hard. On that one part, I'm not gonna get together because I had to get my things together. Family. But that was our week, you know. It was good. We got a little more project to do, you know. As I said, family, we hire people if we do not want to do it. You know? But, damn, this is good, girl. Yeah, I don't like asparagus, so I agree. This is good.
It is good.
That grill did an excellent job.
So you know all of our food's gonna be grilled now. Either grilled or cooked on the grill. Because it has a burner.
Yep.
And a searer.
Yeah.
That's what it's called?
Family, we don't know what
We
the hell
don't know what
that
it's
do.
called.
We don't know. We had a grill. We had like 2 grills that we never used that part.
Like a searer.
Yeah.
That's what I'm calling it. A sear. You can sear stuff.
If you know what's that, yeah, just let us know what that do, because we don't know what it do, because we don't use that. Mm-mm.
But we said we're going to research it and we're going to start using it. Because it looked like it could be something good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Might put good steak on it. What do you think? Tell us.
Oh, this is how it looks close up.
You get them up close up.
This is how it looks.
Damn. Bite your finger, you know?
Remember how it last time?
You know what's funny now? I gave it to them and it's still sitting there. See? I don't like that, so now I'm gonna eat it. Yeah.
What?
I learned something new from him. I'm taking my time. No, come on, you're not proud. I'm taking my time eating my food now. I don't, no? Cause from the other day, when I eat stuff, like my belly start hurting me. And I don't want, no? I gotta do mukbang, so I gotta take my time and eat my food. I know if it's gas or not, but a little ingestion. But
You cutie.
yo, this is nice. See? You let them bring anything for them and they're not the family member not eating, you know? And the steak seasoning.
I could watch him eat all day.
Too damn nosy.
All day.
Damn your food, man.
Asparagus come out better on the grill, man. I like it better on the grill. You can control it better.
So what y'all been up to, man?
For real.
Same old, same old? Yes. Yes, in Florida, mask is lifted. No more masks if you don't want to. Vaccine or not, that sucks. Because what now is, family, I know you're gonna ask about it because you seen on news.
I'm sorry, making noise.
You know what's crazy now? That's when everybody gonna take it to the extent now. No more mask, that's when people get sick. So when they say no more mask, that's when you wear your mask. Right first thing? Okay. How is it in your state? Let us know. You ain't nothing here.
My business.
Wow.
Yo, where you also my business, yo? We was at our daughter's softball game.
Oh God, family, she ain't got that butt kick.
And
Too loud, she might hear us.
and they wasn't serving any water, any
Nothing.
drinks, no drinks. Gatorade, nothing. So we're like, what's going on? So another parent went to another concession stand because it's a big school. And they said, oh, because due to COVID, blah, 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 blah. Right? So she came back and told us.
Hell.
One of the parents said, this is Florida. We don't have any restrictions. I bust out laughing.
Exactly.
Because it's true.
We don't have a protocol here.
We don't have no protocol here. Florida, the governor is like, y'all do what y'all want. And that's why it's spreading.
But you wear the mask though.
So, she said, we don't have no protocol here. This is Florida. She's absolutely right.
Yeah.
I was grilling this and he was watching me the whole time.
Family, I'm watching my grill. Make sure you take it easy with my grill.
The grill is nice.
The grill is nice. I just wipe it down.
Good?
I mean, I love my grill, family.
That's the first grill I've seen that has a drip tray that you can pull out and wash it. Usually it's like built in and it's very hard for you to clean it. This one, just take it out, wash it, dry it, and put it back.
And it
I
got
love that.
Got some nice LED light. What do you call them light? Ambient light. This is good. This potato is nice.
Yeah, my potato. The shrimp is good.
Everything I told you, you're not gonna eat it.
It's like Cajun shrimp.
That's why I took it back. You're not gonna eat it. I never used to like this thing. You should give me them asparagus. Are you remember eating them at first? Oh, I don't like the broccolini. What's it called?
Yeah, it's too bitter.
It's too bitter.
I like it either.
Yeah, I like the broccolini. I don't know.
A broccoli rabe.
Yeah, broccoli rabe.
I can't eat that.
Bitter.
I try to. I try to like get into it. I can't. It's too bitter. It reminds me of suracy.
Wow.
For real, good thing you brought the other potato on top because
I told you that other part of the potato was gonna fool me. I'm hungry, huh?
you was hungry.
I'm big. Oh yeah, I was hungry.
Ooh.
I ain't wanted to talk, but I can't go without talking.
Before Richie came on the camera, Richie said, I'm not talking today. I don't eat my food. I'm hungry. Be a chat and Richie I do.
Good night, so you have to chat now.
Oh, but this is not the first thing that Richie made on the grill. Well, I made the steak, but it's not the first thing that was made on the grill. Let me say that. Richie made me a chicken burger. Bussin'.
Nice. Look at that. That was good. Our favorite ground chicken.
It was really good. Really, really good. I remember saying to Richie, Wow, why haven't I made a burger out of chicken? Like ground chicken before? I don't know. Like when I make them burgers, I should make me a ground chicken burger. Excuse me, it was really good. He did a good job with that.
Good.
Was it you or was it a Momentum grill?
Momentum, I work. Don't tell them I'm going for the bite.
Is that your name? We made that name up. That's not even the name of the grill.
You go buy my grill. I don't want you to go buy my grill.
Why?
They're not going to take care of it.
Oh my god. Look at my youth.
Well.
I see why you named the bone my youth.
Well, good, right?
Season.
Might they cut you in your thing. You eat your bone like that too? Let me know. Because
Damn.
season, all season Indian. You ain't gonna just bite it.
Yeah.
All the season. They watch you. Fuck them
They nosy.
They're very nosy. They can't. Certain stuff you can't do because they pay attention.
I know. My chicken ain't gonna go home and chat me.
Where's our camera now is in the good
camera.
Good.
I can see everything.
Everything now. You gotta be careful. They're gonna talk about you. Look at first eating the bone like that. This is how big I like my steak.
If you go to a restaurant and you get a piece of steak, a T-bone steak, first of all, it won't be seasoned like this. But if it's seasoned well, take the bone home and chew it up. Don't leave it. Take the bone home. It's the best part.
Wow. I'm showing my bone off camera.
So you gonna let me look like a pig? Wow.
Wow. Get some more juice. Let me see. You know I love those people juice. So, I'm the only one to eat asparagus.
Asparagus. Was it seasoned?
Nothing yet? What's that?
I steak.
Oh. You finished your bone already?
Guys, I'm trying to say. You know, I'm going to on camera, so I'm not going to mine either.
I'm eating my bone.
Not on camera, do it.
Let me finish my steak first. Yeah, I saw how big that steak was, huh? It was cooked raw. Right, too. Perfect. Wow. Seasoning.
Yo, you would do so good with a channel where you just sit there and eat your food and don't talk to nobody.
Actually, right? What y'all think? That's what I was gonna do. When I came on first day, I was just gonna come on and just eat and do not talk. You think that would do good, family, if I just sit and just eat and go like that? I come and go. And then when I just eat, when I'm done, I just go. You think that
it would do good? It would do good for you for your own channel, right? Our subscribers here already know you, so when you don't talk, they don't like that. But if you started something and you just eating, nobody would know. They would just be like, okay, that's just his personality. You know, but doing it here, the family member would say, okay, how you doing?
they don't like that?
Not like that. Alright, I'm full.
You full? Okay.
How much asparagus? Asparagus is cooked good too, nice and crispy. Oh, crunchy. Crunchy.
Yo, you want to sweet me?
Yo, you guys see those gas prices?
Oh my God, that's a next video we talk about that.
Wow.
Share for next video. That's true, right? Alright. Family, I know you don't want to eat my bone. So, first day says she's full, when first day says she's full, that's it. First day you're full, I'm not eating one more bite. That's all.
I am full.
But I'm gonna eat this when I'm done read y'all the word, you know? We got a good word for y'all today. First lady, I got a good word for them.
Yeah.
Listen, okay? Family, first lady, viewers, and our family members. I want you to listen up carefully. Okay. When you are rejected from something good, it often means you're being redirected to something better. Be patient, be positive, and keep on pushing and going. Okay? Want me to say it again?
I love that.
You like that one, right?
I need that.
I know. All right. You see, I say that for a reason. If y'all could relate,
You didn't say for no reason.
I say it for a reason. Everything I say for a reason. I just say stuff. Family, I want y'all to listen. Okay? First lady, I want you to listen. Okay? If y'all could relate, I want y'all to relate. When you're rejected from something good, it often means you're being redirected to something better. Just be patient and be positive. You know what I'm saying? And keep going.
Keep going.
That's it.
That is so
So
true.
if y'all can relate. All right, now first lady says she's full, so I eat my bone on the camera.
Can you remember what happened last time? The other day? Yeah, it didn't work out, but yeah.
Yes. Appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. If you're new, I am Richie, and this is Shanice, aka First Lady. You know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Come on now, share. Let's get there. Sharing is free. And they are First Lady?
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Yeah, no.